guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy, quick, for beginners if you've never made sushi a day in your life but you're curious on how to really easily from your house. I have a quick little tutorial for you guys. Today we're going to be making two different sushi rolls. One is just salmon and cream cheese, so kind of like a Philly roll, and the other one is a spicy tuna roll. Again, it's really easy. You just need like a few ingredients. You can get it from like any local Asian mart in your area. I'm not sure where you guys are from, but usually every city has like some kind of Asian market or something like that where you can get all these ingredients, and some stuff you can get from the grocery store as well. Like I said, I'm going to be doing like step by step. In the video you will notice that my boyfriend, obviously they're not my hands, he's the one that's rolling them, but I will be talking through it for just easier for him to do it and for me to kind of explain to you guys. But it turns out really yummy. It's really freaking easy and fast. So if you're craving sushi from home and you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money, because sushi is actually pretty expensive and you can get all of these ingredients for like $25 instead of paying like $40 for a couple sushi rolls at a sushi restaurant. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. I make new videos like this, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all that kind of stuff every single week. I'd love to have you guys. But anyways, let's just get started. So I just want to start off to show you guys the ingredients that you will need. I just started off with some salmon and some fatty tuna. So you're going to need that, a bamboo roller, and also some seaweed paper. I got a few different brands, as you can see right here. Any of them will work. Just be careful with them because they tend to flake very easily. Then you're also going to need some rice wine vinegar to help the rice stick together and be like a more sticky rice. Some sriracha, some mayo, wasabi if you like wasabi, and cream cheese, and some sesame seeds. Then you're just going to start by taking the rice wine vinegar and pouring it on your rice. Take your bamboo roller and put the seaweed paper with the shiny side up. And you're just going to lay that on the bamboo roller. Next, you're going to take rice, like a little bit of chunks at a time, and make sure you're patting that very well into the bamboo roller. Once you've got all your rice on the seaweed paper, you're just going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. This isn't really for taste, but it's more so for looks, and I just like it. It gives it a little crunch. Then you're going to take a very sharp knife, not a dull knife, and you're going to slice your salmon into like a long strip, I guess you could say. You can kind of just eyeball it, but then you're going to take a butter knife, and it's a little bit difficult because the cream cheese wants to literally stick to the knife and not next to the salmon on the rice. So you can just use your hands if that's easier, but you're just going to put little strips of cream cheese in with the salmon, and this is going to kind of create like a Philly roll, minus the veggies. You can also do like cucumber or avocado if you want to. I'm just trying to make like the most simple rolls for you guys. If you have like limited ingredients, this is perfect. Then you're going to take the bamboo roller and flip that over. And each time you flip over, as you will see, you're going to want to clench everything together to make sure it's really tight and sticking together. Then you're just going to continue that process, making sure that everything is really tight, stuck together, and nothing's going to fall apart, because that's the worst kind of sushi, when everything falls apart. You want it like really tight together, as you can see. After you do that, you're just going to take the whole thing and just press it tightly together one more time, making sure, again, that everything stays together. And there is the salmon Philly roll. It looks delicious. Then you're just going to cut it up, again, with a very very sharp knife. If it's dull, it will not cut through, and you'll have like jagged pieces of sushi, which is not very appetizing looking. But as you can see, it's very compact and it looks delicious. Next, we're going to start making the spicy tuna roll. So again, we're just going to pack all of our rice onto the seaweed paper. And you're going to put the fatty tuna down again in a strip. Now we're going to make the spicy mayo. So we're just taking sriracha and mayonnaise and mixing that together, and that's literally it. I always thought that the spicy mayo had a lot more to do with ingredients, but it's literally just 2 ingredients and it tastes exactly like it. It's so good. So just kind of eyeball it. If you think you need more mayo, add more mayo. If you think you need more sriracha, add more sriracha. Then you're just going to gently put this next to the fatty tuna and on top of the rice. You don't want to put too much or else it's going to be very, very messy and it's going to be super spicy. Even though I like spicy, it just gets way too messy. And you're just going to repeat those steps of rolling, making sure everything is completely tight together with that bamboo roller. If you want, as you can see, my boyfriend's like pulling it back to make sure that it's tightly together. You can do that. It makes it easier. But you're just going to continue rolling and keep pressing and compressing it together. Again, these aren't the most extravagant sushi rolls, you guys, but I just wanted to show you some quick and easy ones to make at home with limited ingredients. If you guys want to see like a more in-depth, like crazier sushi rolls, like maybe with more ingredients and stuff, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments what kind of sushi you guys want me to make. As you can see in the background, I have some crab and some shrimp too, so I can make a bunch of different kinds. Just let me know what you guys want to see. And now we have a delicious spicy tuna roll. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.